Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to share your WhatsApp story only for selected people or selected contact on your phone. So first thing we're gonna do is open the WhatsApp application, and after that please take a look on the bottom line and please go into the status sections, and after that you can just either want to post a photo or video story or just a words for our story. So if you want to do a words, just click this pencil symbols, and after that you can just type what story that you want to choose, and let's say January. Okay, and how to share this story only for selected people, please go into the status here, and now you can just choose only share with, and please go into this three smalls button, and now you can choose to whom that you want to share the story to. Just click this button, this circles button, and after you choose some of them, just click done. And now after you finish selecting the people, click done and just click send, and now you already post your story into selected people only. That's all the way for today's tutorial. Hopefully it's really useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe into this channel.